Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and if you have dry skin and you need a new cleanser, you should try this one. It's a rosehip fruit extract, so it smells delicious. It smells like oranges, so when you're washing your face, you get this bright whiff of oranges that are just delicious. I love that the ingredients, there's 90% organic ingredients on here, and when I look at all the ingredients, I can understand what they are, so I know exactly what I'm putting on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't leave a greasy, oily residue, and it doesn't bug my sensitive eyes. I can use this right on my eyes to take off my eye makeup. I have very sensitive skin, and because this is an oil-based cleanser, it doesn't strip my skin of its natural oils, so it doesn't irritate my skin. It is a very nice cleanser that helps dissolve all your makeup and make sure your face is actually clean. It is also vegan and Leaping Bunny certified, so that's very important to me. So this is a really great cleanser for dry skin, and that is my point of view.